Going on, everybody? Alright, I want to make this video upon request with a bunch of questions on how to do Lucky Patcher. Just like the title says, using Lucky Patcher to get video show. Or to be something like that. I don't know. Somewhere in there. But first, I'm going to do it step by step so you guys will know. Alright, I'm not sure if Lucky Patcher is going to let me show you everything, but we're going to try it. Alright, first, I'm going to pull up Video Show. Okay, I just downloaded it. Alright, I'm going to show y'all step by step on how you do it. Alright, you download your Video Show, which is for your editing. Alright, look, you see this? See, I can do a free trial for 3 days free, but I want to go for the forever one. Alright. So you get no ads, removes watermark, 1080p, HD export, 2K, 4K, you know, all the stuff, you know, $29.99 it says. Alright, just so you know that. We don't want to do none of that. Alright. So what we're gonna do, what is this? See, we can remove the watermark and everything. So this is how you get it for free. Pay attention. Alright, you go up out of this. Come on, get up. Alright, we're going Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher, the description will be, the link will be in the description. A lot of people says it doesn't work for them. But I mean, clearly, we're about to find out if it still works. Same link, ain't no trick, not editing nothing. Well, I'm gonna edit to make the video, but this is how you do it. Alright, we see Video Show at the top. Alright, you see how that clover is not green? See, you see on my Power Director it's green. That's because I hacked it. Video Show, I'm gonna show y'all how to do Video Show. We don't want to update nothing. Alright. First off, you go to Video Show. Okay. Then Lucky Patcher's gonna delete the old app, patch it all up, so you can get everything free. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. There's a process in this, it takes a little bit of time, but look what you're getting at the end. You know what I mean? It certainly pays off. You just gotta have patience. You know what I mean? Patience is the virtual. You know what I mean? If you ain't got patience, you ain't gonna get nowhere, really. Alright, really, these are the longest parts right here. This is the longest part right here. But I'm gonna show you. Alright. Just follow my steps, step by step, and you ain't gonna have no problem. I ain't even gonna pause this. I'm gonna show you. I gotta wait like y'all gotta wait. Alright. Alright, now here we go. 6 out of 6. Let's see what we got. Like I said, this is the longest part out of all of it. He's doing this little figuration. Alright. As long as we got 2 successes, That means we're good. Who cares about those other two? Alright, after this, you want to go to File. Alright, now you want to uninstall and install the new one. Alright, uninstall and install. Say yes. Okay. And what it's doing is deleting the old video show that makes you pay. And now you want to install the new one. You get what I'm saying? Uninstall and install. Uninstall the old, install the patched one. Alright, after we do that, you ain't even got to go straight into it. You just push done. You exit out of Lucky Patcher. And you go in the video show. Alright. Same thing. Now it's going to say that it detected like a thing, you know what I mean? That's like a security thing. Just remind me later. Don't even worry about that. Nothing's going to happen to your phone. I had this 2 years already and nothing happened to it. So, I mean, if you're still with me, I'm going to show you. Alright. Alright, we're back here. Alright. Now we want to go look for where we got to pay. Okay, because now we want to get this stuff for free. Alright, where do I pay at? Oh, premium, down here at the bottom. Look, automatically bought it. Automatically bought it. Look, I got no ads. I removed, see the VIP up here at the top left hand corner. I'm VIP. It automatically buys it. And if it doesn't automatically buy it, which it should, then just go right in there. But y'all don't believe me, I got it, do you? Here, let me get out of this. Then, see, look, new. Look, I got all this stuff. All these new. If you don't believe it, I mean, if it makes you pay, if it don't... If it tries to make you pay instead of automatically doing it like it did me, then just go ahead and purchase it and it'll work. But I told you, that's how you do it. Now y'all should have no problems. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope I answered a lot of questions. If not, if y'all want to see me do something and you can't figure it out, game, app, anything, I'll show you. I'll make a video of it. I'll try to get it, see if it works. If it works, I'll make a video on it. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Give me a big like on this stream. Tell your friends about it. Share it to everybody. I mean, it helps a lot. Yeah. Again, here, my VIP privilege. But there you go. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends all about it. Yeah, I want to make this second part right here because I just watched the video. It blocked me from being able to record it and show you guys. For some reason, it must be D-Recorder or whatever it is. I don't know. But, yeah, after you get past that part, like I said, you can hear me talking and stuff. That's how you do it. That's all you have to do, really. And then once you go into it, you know what I mean, purchase it, and it's all there. I don't know why it ain't let me show you. Maybe it's a security thing, because I am, again, hacking it. And this is for demonstration purposes only. This ain't, like, to go out there and start hacking computers or nothing. It's, like, for fun, but